Are you worried about online security? You're not alone. Every day, countless individuals and businesses face the threat of data breaches. Using a credentials manager is crucial, yet many don't fully optimize their settings. With Passpack, you can enhance your security seamlessly. Firstly, secure your account access with a strong packing key. This key is your digital vault's key. Next, implement secure multi-factor authentication. Go beyond SMS with encrypted options through Google or Microsoft. Finally, use a random password generator to create unique passwords, protecting your accounts from unauthorized access. Passpack stands out with its advanced reporting features and customizable domain controls. It empowers administrators to manage access effectively and ensures your data remains confidential. Don't let your investment go unused. Fine-tune Passpack to align with your security policies. Sign up for our risk-free 28-day trial today. Experience unmatched password management without any cost. If you're not satisfied, we'll revert you back to the team's plan. Your credentials deserve the best. Get Passpack now.